This is Matt, and this will be a straightforward video on how to create a Google Gemini API key. So to create one of the Gemini API keys, we will need to use Google AI Studio. So you can see that I'm logged in here to API keys. Very simply, this URL, which I'll put in a video description, the easiest way to get there is aistudio.google.com/API-keys. Now, like I say, I'll put that in the video description, so you can just click that link and find yourself here. So if you haven't already set up an API key, I mean, I have in the past, as you can see here, any API keys that you have will show up here, but it will be blank if you haven't set one up already. I think actually this default one is set up by Gemini when you get your Google AI Studio account. But if you have a Google account, you can just create a free account. So once you are here, essentially you will go to this URL, which I've shown on the screen. It will be in the video description. Log into your Google account if you're not already. It will prompt you to get this free Google AI account, and then you will find yourself here on API keys. So very simply, very top, create API key. We will now name the key. So you will name it something like, let's say, project app key, just something really generic here, but you want to be more specific depending on what project it is, what app or site it is that you need this on. Then you will choose an imported project. So you can import a project, create a project, or just put it on the default Gemini project, or another one that I have down here with a little acronym. So I'm just going to go there. Obviously you could put it into any of your projects or create a new one as shown there. Then you will click simply create key. That will do its thing. It will create the key. It will show it on the screen in just a second once the Google servers kick in. Okay, so you now have some documentation here on how to actually use auth keys with Gemini API, the Gemini API. Your API key will be here. Now, you need to keep this very safe. I'm going to delete this key straight away after making this video, because obviously I'm making a video about it and showing it all. So what you would do here is you would click copy. That will copy to the clipboard, and you can now add that API key wherever you need it. So whether it's in a Next.js project or wherever you happen to need it into your app, into your site, you can put that API key where you need it. You just literally click copy. That will not be shown again as far as I know, so make sure you do copy it and store it somewhere safe. Always be very safe with your API keys. Don't let them get into the wrong hands. Like I say, I'm going to delete this one in just a second because obviously someone gets access essentially to your Google Gemini account and can do all sorts of bad stuff with it. So it also has a project name, so you will probably need to copy that as well as the project name and the project number. So you have all those options to copy to the clipboard there. This one copies the key if you click that, and that is how you're going to get your Google Gemini API key. Hopefully you have found that video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.